Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? The school is missing you a lot, बच्चे. May Allah give us peace and calm in all the circumstances that are going on. So today we will study Oxford Modern English, Grade 4, Chapter number 2, A Night in June. A Night in June is a beautiful poem written by William Wordsworth. Students, William Wordsworth was encouraged to read and memorize classic poetry from the young age. He began to write his own poems when he was still a child. His poem became popular in his lifetime, and he was poet laureate for the last 7 years in his life. Poet laureate means that national poet. He was selected nationally to write poems and anthems. Many of his poems are about experiencing the beauty of the natural world. Students, normally it happens that the poet became popular after their death because they think about far away the things. But the William Wordsworth is one of those poets, those few poets who became popular in his lifetime. There are some words to know, and also this is very short poem having very beautiful rhyming pattern. I am going to show you. The sun has long been set, the stars are appearing, the stars are out by twos and threes, the little birds are peeping yet. इसमें पोइट ये कह रहा है कि सूरज जो है वो गुरूब हो रहा है, चांद सितारे 2-3 नज़र आ रहे हैं. द लिटिल बर्ड्स आर पीपिंग येट, छोटे छोटे परिंदे अभी भी चहचहा रहे हैं. अमंग द बुशेस एंड ट्रीज़, बुशेस और ट्रीज़ के दरमियान में. देयर इज़ कुकू एंड 1 or 2 thrushes, यहाँ पे कुकू और दूसरे कुछ परिंदे हैं. एंड फार ऑफ विंड दैट रशेस, और तेज़ सी हवा चल रही है. एंड अ साउंड ऑफ वाटर दैट गशेस, पानी के बहने की आवाज़ आ रही है. एंड कुकू सॉवरिन क्राई, और कुकू की सुपीरियर बरतर बड़ी खूबसूरत बहुत बुलंदो बाला आवाज़ फिल्स ऑल द हॉलो ऑफ स्काई, आसमान के अंदर तमाम खलाएँ भर रही है. सो दिस इज़ ब्यूटीफुल पोएम अबाउट द नेचर. लेट्स रीड इट once to highlight the rhyming pattern. The sun has long been set, the stars are appearing by twos and threes, the little birds are peeping yet among the bushes and trees. The rhyming pattern in the first 4 lines is being used: set, yet, trees, trees, A, B, A, B. First A B B A B A B, the rhyming pattern. And in the third line there is new rhyming pattern. There is cuckoo and 1 or 2 thrushes. So thrushes is the C. This is third rhyming word. And now other couple is also matching to the thrushes, rushes, gushes. There is cuckoos, 1 or 2 thrushes, and a far off wind that rushes, and a sound of water that gushes. So rhyming pattern on the 5th, 6th and 7th line is C C C, A B A B, C C C. And now the cuckoo's soaring cry fills all the hollow in the sky. So these are D D, the 4th rhyming pattern, that is D D. So A B C C C D D. So this is the rhyming pattern of the poem written by William Wordsworth, Night in June. Now come toward the exercises. This part is very much important, very easy, very interesting. So in this video I will try my best to complete all the work. I have solved some for you. Let's see. First page, Night in June, words to know. You will write these difficult words, any other if you can. After drawing the line beautifully, you should write these words. On the next page, as I have done for you, exercise, understanding the poem, answer the following questions. Exercise, understanding the poem, answer the following questions. How are the stars appearing in the sky? How are the stars appearing in the sky? The stars are appearing by twos and threes. By twos and threes. You should see the focus. Have the birds stopped their singing? The answer is no. They have not stopped their singing yet. They are peeping yet. Where are the little birds? Focus is the where are the little birds? The little birds are among the bushes and trees. So these are the answers of the three questions. You can see the short, and you should write in the same way, beautifully following the line pattern. Question D is, what sound can be heard? Little birds peeping. Answer. What sound can be heard? Little birds peeping, wind that is rushing, water that is gushing, and cuckoo's sovereign cry can be heard. Very beautifully explained phrases are being written in this answer. The little birds peeping, wind that is rushing, water that is gushing, cuckoo's sovereign cry can be heard. What fills the sky? The cuckoo's cry fills the sky. What fills the sky? The cuckoo's cry fills the sky. Why do you think? Why do you think the stars appear in the way described in the poem? They are appearing like this because there is still light in the sky. As the sky gets darker, more stars become visible. Okay. Why do you think the stars appear in the way described in the poem? They are appearing like this because there is still light in the sky. As the sky gets darker, more stars become visible. Why do you think the poet calls the cuckoo's cry sovereign? The cuckoo's cry is loud enough to fill the sky and so seems superior to the other sounds. The second part of the comprehension is, if you can